Please allow me to. I will not. But by saying this, I will open something else. Please.
अरे आप बात सुनिए ना, बात सुने। आप जो नॉर्मली इसकी बात कर रहे हैं, ये इंडिपेंडेंट उन्होंने नहीं अपने आप को कहा। अरे बात सुनिए। अरे बात सुनिए। सुने, प्लीज सुने। जब
May I please just finish reading my formulations?
So you're not going to answer my question. मैंने आपसे आपके एंड पे लीगली पूछा है ना जी।
Please सिकंदर, please let me finish.
Now you finish. Now you answer.
3 हैं, पीटीआई के 32 हैं, पीटीएन के 4 हैं और इंडिपेंडेंट 7 हैं और जो कि उन्होंने कहा है कि अप्लाई फॉर सिंबल वो 3 हैं। ये टोटल 75 आउट ऑफ 81 होते हैं। इसके बराबर में जो कॉलम है वो सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ पार्टी एफिलिएशन अंडर सेक्शन 66, इसमें पीटीआई के जो सर्टिफिकेट्स इशू हैं वो 11 हैं और पीटीआई एन के 14 हैं और दोनों के मुश्तरका जो पीटीआई और पीटीआई एन के हैं वो 3 हैं।
जी दो सर, my lords please and ladyship note that 2 candidates submitted 2 tickets. जी
31 कैंडिडेट जो हैं वो पीटीआई के उन्होंने डिक्लेरेशन दिया हुआ है और 11 ने सर्टिफिकेट भी दिया हुआ है। इसी तरह से जो ब्लैंक है वो 33 हैं जिसने कोई पार्टी एफिलिएशन शो नहीं किया। तो इस तरह के केसेस हैं। नंबर जो इसके अंदर आउट ऑफ ये सिर्फ 75 की मैंने कैलकुलेशन की है, 81 6 मिसिंग होंगे इसके अंदर।
My lord, this is the position I stand by this table because ये मैंने खुद से देख के बनाया है।
इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि ये कंफ्यूजन जो पैदा की ये कैंडिडेट्स ने खुद पैदा की।
सर मैं तो यही कह रहा हूँ, प्लीज allow me to. I will not. But by saying this, I will open something else. May I please just finish reading my formulations?
So you're not going to answer my question.
Ladyship,
I want to know without a withdrawal what is the effect of that affidavit.
My submission on that is that either the withdrawal was in writing or the candidate
The withdrawal in writings are all based on if it's not this, it's that. There is no, unless you'll show us, चलें एक दो होंगे categoric withdrawals, एक दो हैं ना, but by and large तो एक ही किस्म का आपके पास format आ रहा है। उस फॉर्म ए को हम क्या करेंगे? How do we treat that form A?
Ladyship, and now can I finish my answer? I'll answer. My lord, ladyship, my answer is the same. As far as withdrawal is concerned, there are. That's why I think it is necessary for the whole bench to go through that CMA.
आपके एंड पे लीगली पूछा है ना जी, लीगली।
इतनी सी मुझे सिर्फ स्पेस दे दें कि I come to the punch line. I just want to reach my punchline.
Right, come to your punchline.
Just the punchline. For whatever it's worth, my punchline. Thank you, ladyship.
Looks like you've been at the Shakespearean theatre earlier, and I like the antics and all that.
I can hold my...
No, go ahead.
Sir, this is...
It's pretty theatrical.
Take it as a compliment.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Ladyship, either there are express written withdrawals and formal requests by the candidate himself that he wishes to seek and seeks for allotment of a symbol and to become an independent. Those written applications are, some of them have ifs and buts in them, ladyship, and some of them don't. Like the one at page 333 says, I submitted this in good faith, now I wish to withdraw it. Some of them say it depends on what happens in the court. And there's ifs and buts in them. So these are the written ones, ladyship. The ones jahan pe tick nahi laga hua, my instructions are that there was also formal withdrawal by the candidate himself who went to the RO and made this statement, and as a result of that his name appears in the form 33 as an independent. Secondly, all of these candidates, I haven't heard any submission, and I stand subject to correction, in which the appellants have taken this position that we are actually PTI candidates, even though Form 33 says that we contested as independents, even though we could have only joined SIC in 3 days if we were independents. So I take that last action of theirs because they are now seeking reserve seats because they are independents who joined SIC. This is their case. It's not my case.
But it's
And
my
ladyship, I'm still
question
in the
is-
midst of my punchline.
अभी तक नहीं आया
No,
punchline.
this is a long punchline, ladyship.
It's a very long.
So, ladyship, this is their case. It is not the appellant's case. This view, I am humbly and happily assisting the thoughts and the questions that are in the bench's mind, very rightly, on this aspect. But this aspect is not part of the, as Makhdoom Saab said, the case put up, which strictly in the world of 185.3 as a humble and junior ASC is confined to what they have pleaded and what then they have urged in their legal grounds. This is not a legal ground of the appellates. Secondly, in my humble submission, this position is destructive of the appellate's case. It destroys their case because you have to be an independent to join a political party and so as to be eligible for reserve seats. So if these candidates, still my lord, I'll just come to my lord, still if this position is, let the appellate at least come and elect then. Let him come and elect and say, how do I identify myself? So they identify themselves as, let me please finish.
Please finish.
They identify themselves as independents because they can't possibly identify themselves as anything else. If they are to be eligible, and I am saying this objectively, if they are to be eligible for reserve seats, they can't possibly go into this theory. It destroys their claim. Then I have a very straight, then I have a very simple defense.
अपन की फिक्र ना करें, छोड़ दें.
Please,
Sir, I
let's
haven't
not
finished.
interrupt.
I haven't
Let's not
finished.
interrupt.
I haven't
Counsel, let him
finished.
finish. Ji.
They cannot possibly claim to be independents who have joined a political party and on the basis thereof they seek reserve seats, and at the same time take this completely bizarre position, with utmost respect, that somehow based on a half of my declaration I am actually, it boggles my mind. As a lawyer, I'm saying it boggles my mind how these two are not mutually exclusive and destructive of each other, this position. And in my notes, I have no argument from the appellates on this. This is a position which, rightly so, has been identified. It's an anomaly, I will even say that, by the bench. But this is not their case. I'm not their counsel. But in my humble view, they can't possibly take this position. Sir.
But I simply
How
asked
can
you,
they take-
Mr. Sikandar, I asked you a simple question.
Are they independents or are they not?
आपसे
How do
मैंने ये
they
नहीं
identify themselves?
आगे तो चले
Mr.
How do
Sikandar,
they, sir,
चलिए
it
हम
is
समझ
very-
गए आपकी
नहीं,
बात.
आपकी
फंस
बात
गए हो। आप
आपकी
लोग सही
बात
अटक
समझ
गई है अब इसमें।
We've understood your
सही अटक
point.
गई है इसके
Have a
ऊपर।
glass of water.
That-
We've
I will-
understood your point.
Get me some water.
सिकंदर प्लीज सिकंदर
आपकी बात समझ
pausing.
गए.
Please let me finish.
Now you
Please,
finish.
sir,
Now you
लेकिन
answer.
मुझे भी please
अरे
submit-
आप बात सुनिए ना.
समझिए
आप जो
ना.
बात फरमा रहे हैं कि आप ये जो नॉर्मली बात सुने, आप जो नॉर्मली इसकी बात कर रहे हैं, ये इंडिपेंडेंट उन्होंने नहीं अपने आप को
आपने
कहा.
किया.
That is a-
अरे बात
so-
सुनिए.
so that is a-
अरे बात सुनिए. उसका एक नतीजा क्या हुआ कि अपेलेंट नंबर 2 हु इज द चेयरमैन ऑफ SIC, आपने उसको इंडिपेंडेंट डिक्लेयर कर दिया. जब वो सुने, प्लीज सुने, जब वो इंडिपेंडेंट डिक्लेयर हो गया आपके कहने पे वो इंडिपेंडेंट डिक्लेयर हो गया, उसे कहा चलो भाई ECP ने मुझे इंडिपेंडेंट डिक्लेयर किया है, अब उस 3 डे पीरियड में मैं अपनी पार्टी ज्वाइन करता हूँ. 2 दिन पहले आप उस पर हंस रहे हैं कि ये किस तरह हो सकता है. भाई ये नॉर्मली which seems absurd on the face of it, आपने create की. आपने उसको independent कहा, उसकी बुनियाद पे उसने election लड़ा. Logically following from that, he said, I'm joining my own party. आप कह रहे हैं जी किस तरह हो सकता है? ये तो anomaly explain कर रहे हैं.
Because I was trying
Please,
to commission.
please go ahead. Have the whole bottle actually.
I'll be a different person.
Have the whole bottle.
While you're sipping, I just want to understand from you. I just want to understand कि आपने कहा है कि withdrawal जो उन्होंने दे दी वो ठीक है, हमने उसको treat कर लिया, उनको independent कर दिया. जहाँ withdrawal नहीं आई, वहाँ पे जो original form A file हुआ, उसकी कोई significance नहीं है for the purposes of ultimately deciding if they belong to a political party or if they are independent.
Ladyship,
Just because I still don't know what to do with this.
May I give my response?
Ji.